Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's more flexible, appeals to a broader range of use cases, and offers users more integrations with the tools they're already using. Evernote certainly outperforms Notion in some areas such as note-taking. But generally, Notion offers virtually all the same functionality, plus a bit more besides.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Absolutely. Notion is free to use indefinitely. The personal plan is completely free for individual use. The team plan has a free trial with a 1,000 block limit, more than enough to try out Notion with your team before upgrading.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Because Asana is the easiest way to manage team projects, processes, and tasks, stay productive, and deliver better work faster. Notion is a tool for teams and companies that want a better way to manage knowledge, projects, documents, and collaboration.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The major difference between these services is that Trello is focused solely on Kanban project management, while the Notion is a more complete platform. Both tools are ideal for simple, straightforward workflows, but Notion offers greater flexibility.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best note-taking apps. Evernote for the ultimate digital notebook. Microsoft OneNote for a free note-taking app. Apple Notes for Apple users. Google Keep for Google Power users. Notion for collaboration.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.